Welcome to Peter's Finance Studio, your number one channel for smart money tips, financial freedom, and business strategies that works right here in Nigeria. If you have ever believed you must travel out to make real money, this video will change your mind. With my years of experience at United Bank for Africa, I have seen firsthand how ordinary Nigerians turn local opportunities into big profits without ever boarding a plane. So today, I'm going to show you how to make money in Nigeria without traveling abroad and share real-life examples of Nigerians doing just that. Now, for a moment, let us take a look at the Japa syndrome. The Japa syndrome is real. Many people believe that success is only possible abroad, outside the shores of Nigeria. But here is the truth. Nigeria is filled with untapped opportunities. Yes, we have challenges, but we also have over 200 million people, a fast-growing tech space, and an economy hungry for innovation. So, there are a lot of opportunities in our beloved country called Nigeria. It's left for you to search out to find out these opportunities that are available and start turning these opportunities into money-making machine. All right, now let us take a look at a few things you can do in Nigeria that will fetch you real money. Now, the first one we're going to talk about is freelancing. All right, freelancing is one of the fastest growing income stream in Nigeria. If you can write, you can design, you can code, or even edit videos, or even manage social media, whatever skills that you have, you can monetize it. You know, there we have sites like Upwork, Fiverr, and People Per Hour, and so on and so forth. These sites will pay you in dollars. All right, they'll pay you because there are a lot of people that may be looking forward to the skills that you have to solve their problems. There are so many people that are looking for people that will solve their problems. Their problem or challenge could be how to edit, and you know how to edit videos very well. You can be at their service and then they pay you for editing their videos for them, especially if you can edit video professionally. Or whatever skills that you have, you can monetize it using any of these platforms and you're making cool money every month. Now, let us take a look at Samuel from Enugu. Samuel taught himself graphic design on YouTube. You see, YouTube is there for us to learn a lot of things. You can learn a lot of skills on YouTube, but many times what we do on YouTube is we just use YouTube to entertain ourselves. You know, we burn our data and all that. Instead of using our data to make money for ourselves, we are using our data to entertain ourselves and enrich the pockets of other people. Why can't you also use your data to make money from other people, to let other people watch you, not you just watching people? You get entertained by them watching you and they're smiling to the back. Those people can also watch you and you also will be smiling to the back. All right, so freelancing is one of the best platforms where you can be making cool cash every month. All right, now the second platform you can use to make money in Nigeria and become wealthy is content creation. Content creation has come to stay. The platform for us to create our content is there. The numbers are there. For example, you can create your content on YouTube, on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and so on and so forth. You can take advantage of this and start creating content, monetize it, and be making cool cash. Content creation is a digital gold mine. It is, of course, a digital gold mine. You don't have to be a celebrity. You just need a unique voice. You need your skills. With your skills, you can create content with it and be making a lot of money. I know we know this popular guy named Tayo Aina. He started filming real estate and travel content around Nigeria with his phone. So that phone that you have, that you're using, to entertain yourself, you can use it to make money for yourself. Like Tayo Aina, now he is a full-time creator with over 500,000 subscribers and brand deals. All right, you too can be like Tayo Aina or even make a lot of money more than him. You can surpass him. All right, like they often said, the sky can accommodate everybody. All right, if you can start today and even do more than others that have been creating content before you, you can monetize your passion, you can monetize your skills, whatever it is, cooking, tech, comedy, motivation, whatever it is. Once you know your onions, you can monetize it and be making a lot of money from it. Another platform that you can use to make money online is learn a skill. Learn a skill. All right, there are platforms everywhere that you can use to learn a skill for yourself. When you do that and you learn these skills, at the end of the day, you can monetize these skills and be making a lot of money with the skills that you have learned. All right, so you can make money in Nigeria doing freelancing. You can make money in Nigeria creating content. You can also make money in Nigeria learning a skill and then monetizing your skill. It's unfortunate that many of us, we have the opportunity to learn skills to better our lives, but we are not learning these skills. We are just entertaining ourselves, and every year is coming and going. Years are coming and going. At the end of the day, we will discover that after we have spent a lot of years on earth, we have not learned any skill. All right, the future is filled with opportunities. The future is filled with opportunities. Look around, you can see opportunities everywhere. Take advantage of these opportunities by learning the skills. When you learn the skills, whatever it is, and the opportunity comes, you take advantage of the opportunities and start making money for yourself. Now, at UBA, I watch successful people manage money, get loans, and grow small ideas into a big venture. You see, you need a skill, you need an idea. Here is what I learned from watching these individuals. You don't need to be abroad. You don't need to travel out of the shore of this country to succeed. What you need is clarity, consistency, and cash flow control. And that is why I'm sharing everything I know with you here to help you grow where you are planted. Now, listen, Nigeria has its challenges, but it is true. People are making it. Despite the challenges, people are making it in Nigeria. You can too. You don't need to japa. You don't need to travel out of the shores of this country. If you have the opportunity to travel out, you can. But right here in Nigeria, there are a lot of opportunities also that can make you a wealthy person. Start where you are. Learn, apply, and grow. All right? Start where you are. Learn, develop your skills or learn skills, and then grow. Do not be satisfied with your current condition. Whatever you are learning or whatever you have learned, keep learning. Keep educating yourself. Keep growing. And I tell you, with the opportunities we have in Nigeria, and you have the eyes to see these opportunities, you can be a great person in the future. All right? Now, if this video helped you, please kindly like and subscribe, and also turn the notification bell so that you don't miss any of our subsequent videos. Please drop a comment below if you want a step-by-step guide on any of these ideas I shared today. Now, with my experience in the banking sector, I will show you how to invest your money and also the several other platforms that you can invest your money and your money will be working for you. And also, I'm going to reveal to you several other things that you can do to make money online and offline. You do not have to wait every day at the end of the month for you to get paid. You can get a side hustle, go into it full time if you wish to, and be making a lot of money. Till I come your way next time, do have a great